इंग्लिश में बोलिए.
Madam, the Waqf Amendment Bill is passed from the Lok Sabha.
Yes, it was passed by 288 to 232. And I think when you saw what the numbers were in the 17th Lok Sabha, where bills would pass by 300 and 119, you see there is only a 50 vote vote gap here, and you realize just how unpopular and how against the public mandate this bill is. And it is only because of the party whip and because of the two allies that they have just managed to get through by the skin of their teeth. 272 is majority, they've got 288, and that's really close. You saw all the points that have come up, and frankly, it's a very dark day in India's secular democracy, where this government, by sheer brute force, has brought about a bill which is so patently unfair and so patently against the fundamental rights of Article 25, Article 26, and basically there are 3 or 4 clauses in the amendment. One is that you have to say that you are practicing Islam for 5 years. Now, I'm a Hindu Brahmin, a woman. How do I prove that I'm a practicing Hindu Brahmin? How do you do it? How do you ask one person of one faith to prove that they're 5? The second, they say that only if you're a Muslim of 5 years can you donate something. In my constituency, for example, when a Muslim did not have a graveyard or did not have land, there were rich Hindu landowners, zamindars, who have donated land for Muslim graveyards, for masjids, for all of this. So is that all going to be declared null and void? The third they are saying is that you must have non-Muslims on the Central Waqf Council and in the state law boards. Out of 22 members on the Central Waqf Council, they are saying that only 10 need to be Muslim and 12 can be non-Muslim. So again, you will have a majority of 12 is to 10. And if the government wants to take over a land for a period of 5 years, you can do that without a murmur. And this is exactly what they're trying to do. So these amendments are basically, it is sending a very chilling effect to the Muslim community that संभाल के रहो, हमारा पैरों के नीचे रहो. This is it. The only thing that the message they are sending to the Muslims in this country is, know your place, we will show you your place. And that's where our leader Mamata Banerjee and our party, Trinamool Congress, believes that a Muslim's place is next to us. We want to walk hand in hand. A Muslim's place in this country is not paw tale or at our feet. A Muslim's place is next to us with their head held high, walking together in a secular India. And that is what this bill has destroyed today. Thank you.